Okay. And that way, yeah.
Yes, sir.
Wait, man, I don't remember the switches.
You go, man. You go. Okay,
Now Jiva.
It becomes too late.
Now Jiva realized self-help is the best help. Right now? Moral of the story.
We can keep it 14.
Jiva, when you are leaving, put the remote in the staff room. That's compulsory.
Put the remote in the bag.
No, you keep it with you only, and you just.
Take it to home. Return your AC.
Yours also Toshiba, no? Ulta.
Mine is Toshiba.
Okay, Jiva posted some doubts. Okay.
The gravitation. So, gravitation.
Exam and so yes, which is me so exam sample sample so what is this zero immediate scale points each other?
I too don't know. I will understand. We will do that. Okay. Okay. Everything we will see.
So where can you revise it? Okay. Tomorrow shall I come, sir? In the afternoon.
Go
Revision. Waves for ya.
waves problem.
Tomorrow for us Telugu gadire.
Yes, sir.
Full day, sir.
Full day. Telugu na Telugu Ugadi means Telugu people.
Not only Telugu, sir.
Kannada also Ugadi. Same day na.
Same day.
Oh, great.
That's why I'm hoping tomorrow is holiday. It will be a holiday. Where wishes come true. I don't know, man. They'll give some holiday at some random person's birthday and they'll not give holiday for this.
Actually, I'm shocking. Private people giving holiday and yours is government school, na? That much government schools are serving, right, for country. Nation is changing.
Nation is changing, yes, sir.
Yeah.
India wants.
I think for your employees increment time, no? That employee, that's what they're doing some overaction. It's appraisal time.
Appraisal time. No, sir, they won't have appraisal and all that.
Oh, then what?
They'll have. I mean.
Direct termination only, huh?
No, sir, they'll have different posts, right?
Okay.
So that only. Government
No. Every year annual appraisal, sir.
Everyone will just same appraisal. For each post, they'll give some appraisal.
Okay, one doubt posted by Jiva Kamal Narayana. So a student Narayana also there, huh? No. Yeah, a student is performing the experimental resonant column. Diameter of the column, how much, right? 6 centimeter. Then the frequency of the tuning fork, how much? 504 hertz. And speed of the sound at the given temperature, how much? 336 meter per second. And the 0th of the meter scale coincide.
No zero error. That will have the diameter correction. Nothing, sir.
Maybe I too don't know. I'm not understanding. The 0th of the meter scale coincides with the top end of the resonance column tube. The reading of the water level in the column when the first resonance occurs. Now I understood somewhat. This is one pipe I have taken. it is filled with water, right? Like this. Where the 0th reading of the meter scale is fixed, right? 0, top end of the closed pipe. Here, free surface of the water is acting like a rigid boundary.
Yes, sir.
Visible, no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
For me, not visible. Okay, fine only. Then this is the length L is asking. That's all. Is as per his statement is concerned, first resonance occurs. What the meaning of the first resonance, my dear students? Like this only, na? Just like a closed pipe only. Understood? I want to hear from you. What is the closed pipe, right? First resonance V by
4L.
4L.
Yes.
But end correction also you have to include, na?
Plus E.
So L plus E.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what is asking? What he wants exactly? L is asking. L length is asking, na?
Yes, sir.
Means this length L and L plus E. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So he's asking L only. If you find L, game over. I think I'm leaving this calculation part to you.
Correction we don't have, sir.
E value you should tell. Indirectly it is hidden.
0.3 meter.
Very good, very good. 0.3 into diameter. Understood? So F equal to how much? V by 4 into L plus 0.3 into D. Yes.
Yes.
End correction 0.3 into D is there, na? It is an experimental observation. You should remember. Then
you have to take in meters, right? 0.06 into 0.0.
yes, you should compulsory convert.
So no, sir. Answers in centimeters. So we can have it in
Very good. Answer in centimeter, but still convert meter. Final answer also will get meter. Then easy for you. Yes, meters. Yes. Will you do it or I should do calculation?
No, sir.
Small thing I have done. Big thing I am giving to you.
That's only the big thing. Small thing. This is what we have to find out. 8.018 meters. 0.4, right?
Good evening, Nivasni, Pandit Kablesh, Kalpana, na? Ramesh Bollu.
You're doing it wrong.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Kritika, sir.
Kritika, good evening, ma. Okay.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, good evening. You understood now this explanation? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then
Yes,
do
sir.
this calculation and find L value, everyone.
Yes, that's right. Remaining me, reminding point. 16. Okay, I think that's the hope so. 16, 7. Sir, can you use calculator?
Use.
Because this guy is too busy, that's why. I hope we get some answer. Okay. Where's the calculator? Should the calculator? Fancy. Calculator is always hidden.
So here I will try 4 ones are, 4 8s are, 4 4s are, na? Then 2 2s are, 2 5s are, 2 2s are, 2 4s are, 2 2s are.
Sir, can you show the options, sir?
Options are. நீங்க சென்டிமீட்டர் கன்வர்ட் பண்ணனும். 42 by 252 minus what do you say 18 by 88 by 1000, no? Again we have to do 2 2s are, 2 1s are, 2 1s are, 2 2s are, 2 6s are, 3 7s are, 3 4s are, 3 2s are, 7 1s are, 7 6s are. So 1 by 6 minus 0.018. 1 by 6 means how much, right? 6 1s are, 6 zeros are, 6 1s are 6, and 10 minus 6 means 4. 6 6s are 36. 4 again. 1666. 0.166 minus 0.166666. 0.0. Then somewhere you did biscuit. Understood. So 16 minus 8, how much, right? 8 and 5 minus 1, 4. 1 minus 0, 1 only, na? So 14.8 meter. Sorry, 14.8 centimeter. Option A, poichi. Option B, wrong. Option 4 is a perfect answer for the question. ನಾನು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟರ್ எதுமே யூஸ் பண்ணல, நீங்க பாத்துட்டாரு. ஓகே ரைட், ஜஸ்ட் நோ.
More than 10 years you are here only, sir.
Just 10 years.
No, sir. You told that day you told 2 years.
இங்க இருக்கா, அத பேசனுக்கு அது என்ன வேலை வரல, கொஞ்சம் கொஞ்சம் தெரியுமா? One more question, friends, here.
Sir, it is too bright, sir.
Life with lotus.
Sir, what?
Jiva Kamal. Life like lotus.
Life with the lotus. Kamal,
Sir, options are there, sir. Next slide.
Sir, it is too bright, sir. Can you increase
Sir,
it?
sir.
Decrease it?
Still two more options are there in next picture.
Sir,
No issue.
Sir, can you decrease? Sir, can you decrease the brightness? Sir?
I will try.
Too bright. If sir, yes, sir, that brightness is better. Now which brightness came with that brightness?
என்ன phone use பண்ற ஜீவா?
Me, sir. Sir, this was took from PC.
PC ah. Screenshot ah.
Yes, sir.
You take your
Snapshot.
hey, you keep your PC at full brightness, sir. Hey, who are you?
Okay. So I will read and I will try to understand a sound. A sound source.
That bright.
Yeah.
So decrease the brightness.
How I can decrease, right?
Sir, go to settings. Near only, sir. Once.
That,
Sir, there at bottom. Sir, bottom right side.
near the date. That one. Sir, not this one. That one.
Yes, sir.
That one.
Click on that one, sir.
Sound.
Sir, brightness.
That sun.
It's not effective.
For me decrease, right? For you, you can't.
Sir,
Anyway.
decrease here.
No. Hey, don't do circus. Just for 2 minutes you adjust.
You have to.
Okay.
Sir, we have to call now. Sir.
Okay. A sound source S is moving along a straight track with what speed?
No, sir.
What the velocity of the source of the sound? Vs equal to how much? V meters per second. And what the original frequency? See the figure is saying. So see the figure for everyone. He only told no. Watch the everyone.
Yes, sir.
Understood. So that is important. See figure. An observer standing at fine distance. Where is the observer? Right?
No, sir. Figure itself is valued asked.
Where is the figure? So I will not do this problem. Figure is not there.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Then another problem is, sir.
Yeah.
Totally three problems.
Figure is not there, student. This is a printing mistake in the problem.
That's
So-
what I took from JE mains only, sir.
J
Sir,
means.
they not give figure correctly, sir. Sir, first question. Sir, and they took from mock test. I mean, previous year. Yes, previous year. They not do it nicely.
In our Enlan app or some other app?
Google. Generally, like the previous year question, papers question.
Oh, okay. Very good. Very good. That intensity.
Sir, today I solved it. The other way very quickly.
Very good. Very good.
32. I don't improve.
Okay, student. This is one question again posted by Jiva Kamal. The motion of a
Of a mass on a spring with spring constant K is shown in the figure.
So motion problem, you have to think with emotion. Okay. So the motion of a mass on a spring constant, how much is given?
K.
K, as shown in the figure. He did not say see the figure. Yeah. Yes. NEET or IIT, madam? NEET.
We are taking for IIT.
Yes. GVT sir is taking.
He wants physics only.
Physics, sir. Tell him to sit here. Tell him, sir usually will explain by standing only. As of now,
Yes, sir,
just
I
listen. Crash course, right? 12th studying.
Okay, sir.
So this is a motion of a mass on a spring with a spring constant. How much?
Okay, sir.
K as shown in the figure. So the equation of the motion is given nicely. What is the equation of given x equal to how much? A into sine of omega t and plus b into cosine of omega t, and omega equal to how much? Under root of k by m. And is asking, suppose that at a time t equals 0. T equals 0 means initially when your observation started, position of the mass x and velocity v. Hi, good evening, sit here. Okay, your name here? Abdul Mohsin. Please sit. Which school? Ramanathapuram. You are coming from Ramanathapuram. Sit here. Why are you standing always? Ramanathapuram, how long it is? So you want to join it here online? Then how will you come every day? Okay, you will stay hostel. So you want to join in crash course after your board exams. Your matriculation or CBSE? So May 23 exams will be finished. Biology last one. Na? So May 23 after you will join here. Okay, I understood. Okay, so I am your physics lecturer. Okay, is actually these are 11th completed and entering to 12th. Okay, you just try to understand. Okay. Actually, my period is over in that crash course. That is actually crash course room only. Okay, you just you asked physics demo, na? Okay, you just go through it. Any doubts, ask me. Okay. So everyone understood, na? Suppose that at a time t equal to 0. T equal to 0 means what? Initial time, na? Initially, when your observation started, what is the position of the mass? Here x of 0 means what? When time equal to 0, the position of the block is given. And what is the meaning of V of 0? Velocity of the block at time equal means this is initial velocity. This is what initial position. Then is asking, then its displacement can also be represented as how much x equal to c into cosine of omega t minus pi.
Yes, sir.
Means you people have to convert this two terms into this term, one term in terms of cosine. Understood? I think we have done this earlier only. So someone tell me what is the plan to eliminate these two terms and to convert into this format? I told one phasor method rule. Omega t plus 0, na? Shall I write? Mean this vector A with x-axis, how much angle it is making? Very good, 0. Like this. So shall I write A vector like this with your permission? Then cosine omega t, how I can write? If you tell only, I will write.
Sin 90.
Very good. Shabash. Sin omega t plus 90. Sin 90 plus theta means cosine omega t only, na? Correct or not? So means with respect to the x-axis, how much angle this B vector is subtending? 90 degree. Abdul, just actually by board teaching only, will teach on board. Here numerical session is there. So I'm using online students also there. Okay. Comfortable, no? Okay. So what is the vector form of B here? Perpendicular only, na? So what is the angle here?
90 degree.
Theta equal to how much? 90 degree. Correct? I will construct one parallelogram or rectangle. So what a net amplitude respond?
40%.
The diagonal of this rectangle or diagonal of the parallelogram represent net amplitude. That is how much, what according to Pythagoras theorem, what is the Pythagoras or here in Tamil Nadu, some area Pythagoras they will call, right? Pythagoras. Okay. Okay. So strictly Pythagoras. Okay. Right. Right. So what is the net amplitude of this diagonal? You tell me. Very good. Under root of a square plus b square means opposite side whole square plus adjacent side whole square. So this is C is nothing but net amplitude only, na? For resultant wave net amplitude only, na? So what I can write, C is equal to under root of a square plus b square. So this is a partial answer only, na? Answer number 1 only, na? Is asking C only, na? Check it. All options are having this only, no? C value is given what? 2 V of 0 whole square by omega square. You have to convert, slightly adjustment is required. A is nothing but amplitude only, na? Means maximum displacement of the particle. I got C value how much? Under root of a square plus b square only. So b is nothing but x of 0. Means b you have to convert, you have to express in terms of x of 0, and this term a you have to express as this term. Yes, you have to do that. X equal to how much, right? X of 0 is the position at time equal to 0, no?
Yes, sir.
Put t value 0 here. What do you get? X equal to? If you put t equal to 0 here in this expressions, what do you get? X equal to a into sine 0 plus t equal to 0. He said x of 0, Nara, Jiva. So we have to put 0. T equal to 0. T 0 into omega, how much? So b into how much? Cosine of 0. So how much x equal to sine of 0 means 0. 0 into a means 0. That is how much? X equal to b only, na? Understood? So in the place of b, shall I replace with x of 0 with your permission?
Yes, sir.
Understood? So I can write under root of a square plus x of 0 the whole power 2. Say yes or no? Then you have to find the a value. What is the a value here? Amplitude only, na? What is the a value here? How to find? Velocity you have to find. Have you noticed?
Yes, sir.
I will zoom it slightly. See, zoom it. This is V of 0, na? Velocity at 0 only, na?
Yes, sir.
Correct or not? So I will find velocity. How to find velocity? You people have to guide me. X equal to how much? A sine of omega t plus B into cosine of omega t. How to find velocity? Respond. Shabash. Differentiate. Velocity means what? Change in position of x by change in time taken. Means differentiate. So what you can write? D by dt of A into sine of omega t plus B cosine of omega t. A you should not touch. What differentiation of sine? Cosine omega t. Very good. Again, second time I have to differentiate. So omega will come dt by dt 1. So A omega will write here. So similarly, B into what a differentiation of cosine. Very good. Minus sine omega t and again omega here. Correct? So what a velocity after t seconds? A omega into cosine of omega t plus minus omega b into sine of omega t. T equal to 0 means what? He's asking V of 0 only, na? A you have to represent in terms of V of 0. Correct? How much you have to put T? 0 you have to put. So V of 0 equal to how much? Put time value 0. Cosine 0 value how much? 1. Very good. A into omega minus omega into B. Put here 0. What do you get? 0. So V of 0 equal to how much? A omega. Understood. So this is totally 0 only, na? Understood? A value how much? With your permission. A value A equal to V naught by omega only. Na? We are striving for that value only. Na? A equal to, shall I write V of 0 by omega I can write. So substitute nicely here. So what is C value you got? Under root of V of 0 by omega whole power 2 plus X of 0 whole power 2. So definitely option A wrong, na? Option A wrong, na? Check it. Why 2 is there? So option C, Kandipa Tappu. Correct? So option B means what?
It may be correct because
Maybe correct only, na? Partially 100% correct. So, but you have to verify the tan of pi also. Tan of pi means what? This one in a phase difference means. This one in a phase difference. This angle pi only you have to find. That is only the initial phase of that, na? Says or no? If you find this pi, it's over. How to find tan of pi equal to opposite side by adjacent side only, na? What is opposite side? B by A. B value we found. A value also we found. For pi value how much? Tan inverse of B by A. So tan inverse of B value how much? B value somewhere we found. Very good. X of 0. A value how much? V of 0 by omega. Omega will go upside. So tan inverse of how much? X of 0 into omega divided by V of 0. So we have to check the 4 options. Really?
No, sir. Writing. Sir, last. Now it is okay. Before because
Yeah. So which is the right option, right?
only 2 options.
Undoubtedly option 2. Why? Because option 2 all options are matching. Clear? Waves finished, Abdul. Waves, sit and talk. Demo. Are you understanding everything? Understood? Okay. So don't worry. Physics people will tell I am a good teacher only. Understood? Definitely I will support you. Any doubt if you ask, I will help you. Understood? So if it is possible, I think you this 15 days you can come now. May 5th onwards your board will start exam. Then you can come here.
Already on time.
You have written, 270. Sit. What is your category, if you don't mind? BC, most backward. Then your target is 520. Don't worry, this time you will clear. Then you join. Tomorrow notes come.
I'm waiting for counseling, sir.
Third phase.
Yes, sir.
So you will get, I think BDS, I think self-finance.
Yes, sir.
If you get, you will go. Anyway, 270 you came very close. You try NEET. Why you have to wait for counseling? You try this year, surely you will become.
Okay.
Don't go for that counseling. Try this. 270 you came very close, na? I'm very confident you this time you will clear. July 17th, na? Come join tomorrow notes. Understood?
Thank you.
Okay, right. Okay, any more doubts, right? That's all. Huh? Okay, gravitation, shall we go? Everyone understood, huh? Online students, this problem?
Sir, 10 minutes. Sir.
Yeah.
5 minutes left. 5 minutes, sir. Yes, sir. 5 minutes are left. Due to this.
Anyway, not like that, Srinidhi. So,
Okay, yes,
anyway, the what a strategy of how I thought, how I applied concepts, that is important. Your understanding. Don't feel this is waste like that. You should post that out. Actually, I should appreciate Jiva. So voluntarily in his house, he downloaded that previous paper and
Sir, I saw it, sir.
then no doubts posted like this.
Sir, waves, sir, those are, there are no hard questions in that paper. Sir, really?
I think he's strong in waves. I think then that's what.
Sir, waves in the three questions, in those three papers, one question came from oscillation, sir.
Okay.
That too, that was kinetic energy and potential energy question. That graph.
Okay, easy only.
Easy
That.
only,
Okay.
sir.
Okay.
No oscillation.
Okay. Anyway, Srinidhi, since 2-3 days is asking about gravitation. So no problem. I will take 5 minutes extra. Gravitation, one good problem, which damn sure it will come in your IIT. I will select and you have to do. Right?
Yes, of matter only one question came. That too long back.
States of
No,
matter.
states of matter came. That 20 came.
States of matter.
Advance. Okay.
States of matter is atom.
Sorry, mains okay, not advance.
States of matter is after BBC.
White's law, Charles law.
Okay, Strand, one question I found. Not question of the day. One question I will do it here only. You don't write, instead of writing, try to solve, everyone. If a diametrical tunnel is made in earth, and along the line. One more important thing, everyone, 1 minute I will talk. I think this 10-15 days you people are somewhat free, not 15 days, 30 days somewhat free. So what you have to do, every day download one test from your internet or through any other sources. So complete all 11th standard problems. At least if you work out 10-15 question papers also, you will strengthen all concepts in your 11th. You will get one idea how questions are coming, what is that question standard level, what is your level, how much work you have to do. Like that you can assess on yourself. Understood? So do that thing. Any doubts, not only in physics, all subjects you do like that. So your brain totally will be tuned up into your JE pattern. Understood? So you will understand what topics you have to stress more. So like that, you can do self-assessment. Do that. Understood? Okay. and the doubts immediately we'll discuss in the classroom. So that will work like anything. Simply always concept revision, and that you have to see, you have to take more exams, more tests you have to do. Clear? Okay. Now let me see this problem. If a diameter tunnel is made in earth along the line of tunnel, a particle of mass, small m is released from point A at a distance 2r from earth surface, as shown in figure. Find the speed of particle. Find the speed of particle when it would be passing a point B inside the tunnel, at a distance r/2 from earth center. Will you try, Ray? So this is one figure also given. This is one cylindrical tunnel is dug along the diameter. Mass of this earth planet, actually our earth planet only, capital M, and what the radius of this planet, capital R. There is one point B at what distance? r/2 distance from center. There is one point B is there at a distance what? r/2, and one particle A, from A it is dropped, but the height of that particle is 2r. You people have to calculate when it reaches point B, find the velocity at point B.
Distance is 2R or the total distance? Total distance.
Which distance, right?
From A to the center is 2R, sir. Because they gave from point A the distance 2R.
Earth surface distance 2r. Understood?
Sir, I think it would never reach base.
Ah,
Because sir,
It will reach.
Due to gravity will be sir, first it will increase, again it will decrease, right, sir, as we go down.
See,
And then
Srinidhi,
it will become zero, right, sir?
listen. You dropped on particle. It is falling down on an accepted, no?
Yes, sir.
It goes here. Again, it is, if you drop any object in the well, it will go down only, no?
Yes, sir.
Then it will go to center straightly. Understood? So at center, gravitation field 0. Understood? So, but it acquire already maximum speed. Even though net force is 0, according to Newton first law, it travels.
Yes, sir.
But hereafter, force will be reverse. Motion is downward, force is reverse.
Yes, sir.
So throughout its lifetime, this particle, the particle will oscillate from this point to this point. Throughout lifetime, it will do the oscillation on this line. Here 2r distance traveled, no? Here also 2r distance traveled. It is lifetime, it will do like that only, oscillations. Understood? According to that is only conservation of energy concept.
Yes, sir.
That energy neither be increased nor decreased. Understood? So definitely it will reach point B. You people have to find velocity at point B.
The options.
Hint I will give. No, this is advanced pattern, right? No options. This is a just like a numerical type.
Oh, I did.
Numerical
Yeah.
based type.
Sunday's test, which we are going to write is only multiple selection.
No. Paper on paper 2 is there. All type of questions will come. Single correct type, multi correct type, paragraph, comprehension, assertion, reasoning. See,
Advanced model in the sense more multi-select questions.
ah,
Mains model multi-select questions.
mains model means only single correct answer.
Yes, sir. Here multi-select.
Advanced means all type of questions. Single correct answer, multi correct answer, comprehension type, assertion, reasoning, match the following.
Integer type.
Very good. Integer type. That questions will come. Understand? Okay. Okay. This is a question of the day. I will take the screenshot and will post in group. So you are astrologer, Vishal? You are astrologer.
You're not sure. Yes, sir. Then which team will win IPL then?
I will sell Delhi.
Delhi, yeah? Even I am guessing RR only one. RR team is strong.
Tell me tomorrow which share will increase.
Tomorrow, sir. Sir, tomorrow I think, sir, I guess Reliance is increasing. Reliance.
Reliance will increase, huh?
Sir, yes, sir. Tomorrow I think so.
Tomorrow markets are holiday, no?
4 days straight, Reliance will increasing.
Tomorrow markets are holiday, no?
Sir,
How
no,
it will
but
increase?
still, oh, correct. Sir, no, sir, because from 4 days, Reliance is increasing, sir.
4 days?
Reliance is increasing.
Increasing?
From past 4 days.
Tomorrow holiday, now you said tomorrow it will
Sir,
increase.
tomorrow I thought it will increase, sir. That's why.
Okay, I posted this question in WhatsApp group. Okay, think, try and fail, no problem. Again, try and fail, no problem. Again, try and fail, no problem. But definitely you will do. Okay, thank you, friends. We will meet in next session. Bye.
Today it is 100, tomorrow it is 200. Increase 0.